दूरसंचार विभाग द्वारा आयोजित गर्ल्स इन आईसीटी इंडिया 2024 को संबोधित करते हुए ईशा अंबानी ने देश की लड़कियों को प्रौद्योगिकी को एक करियर के रूप में चुनने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में महिलाओं और पुरुषों का अनुपात बराबर होना चाहिए। इसके लिए हमें अभी लंबा रास्ता तय करना है। मुकेश अंबानी की बेटी और रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज में डायरेक्टर ईशा अंबानी ने यह भी कहा कि अगर चौथी औद्योगिक क्रांति के इस डिजिटल युग में भारत को वर्ल्ड लीडर के तौर पर उभरना है तो लड़कियों को आगे लाना होगा। विज्ञान, प्रौद्योगिकी, इंजीनियरिंग और संचार टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में लड़कियों की भागीदारी बढ़ानी होगी। ईशा अंबानी ने कहा कि महिला कर्मचारियों को उनके करियर के आरंभ से ही प्रोत्साहित किया जाना चाहिए। केवल कागज पर विविधता और समावेशिता दिखाने से बदलाव नहीं आएगा। वहीं इस मौके पर ईशा अंबानी ने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व की प्रशंसा करते हुए कहा कि सरकार आवश्यक सुधार कर रही है और इसके परिणाम भी दिखाई देने लगे हैं। पिछले दशक में टेक्नोलॉजी कार्यबल में महिलाओं का प्रतिनिधित्व 6% बढ़ा है, पर उद्योग जगत को भी अपना योगदान देना होगा। लड़कियों पर बात करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें ऐसे तरीके और साधन तैयार करने होंगे जिससे महिलाओं के करियर में स्थिरता सुनिश्चित हो सके। साथ मिलकर हम एक ऐसा भविष्य बना सकते हैं जहां हमारी बेटियों को कल का नेतृत्वकर्ता बनने के समान अवसर मिले।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very special good afternoon to all the young girls, the bright young minds who are torchbearers of the new India attending the event. It is a privilege for me to be addressing this event, for which I must thank the Department of Telecom, Government of India, the International Telecommunications Union, the Innovation Center Delhi, and other agencies of the United Nations who are hosting the Girls in ICT Day 2024. We're living in times of exponential changes. The world is changing, the world is innovating, and if we are to survive in this fast-changing world, we too must innovate. Already the way we work has changed, and it will further change. So, for everyone present here today, be ready to embrace the change. Be prepared to take up science and technology as career options because science and technology hold the key for the future. The majority of future jobs are going to be in those dreams. So, break the shackles of tradition, challenge yourself, and be the change makers. Dear friends, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives today. It is constantly reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world. The rapid advancement of technology has triggered a digital revolution that permeates every facet of our society. From communications, education, and healthcare to business and finance, the transformative power of technology is evident. STEM, in general, and ICT in particular, are the drivers of this phenomenal progress in technology. As we move deeper into the fourth industrial revolution, the role of ICT becomes increasingly pivotal, underpinning innovations in every sector and ensuring that our journey towards digital and technological advancements continues unabated and propel our nation forward. Sadly though, even today, there is a gender divide in India's tech workforce. According to NASSCOM, only 36% of India's tech workforce are women. Blame it on age-old dogmas and societal stereotypes, such as women are best suited as teachers and jobs involving soft skills. A similar disturbing aspect is a drop in the number of women in science, technology, engineering, and math-focused roles. Data from the World Bank shows that women make up 43% of total STEM graduates in India, but account for only 14% of all scientists, engineers, and technologists. India has favorable demographics to make tremendous progress in this era of the fourth industrial revolution, also known as the digital era, and emerge as a world leader. If we are to drive home the advantage of our demographics, both men and women should attain their fullest potential. A male-dominated STEM or ICT landscape where women are underrepresented will rob India of its opportunity to rule the roost. We have missed the first two industrial revolutions and we're merely playing catching up during the third. This era of the fourth industrial revolution has given us the opportunity to make amends. We must rise to the occasion, we must exert ourselves, and we must excel. Otherwise, we run the risk of becoming irrelevant. So, for India to shine, more and more girls, the women of tomorrow, must enter the realm of STEM and opt for technology as a career. Because if we are to build the India of our dreams, technology will be our driving force. And both men and women in science and technology must fire on all cylinders.